Why does your scanner show the P2414 engine code? What does it mean? P2414 is a diagnostic trouble code for 02 Sensor Exhaust Sample Error Bank 1 Sensor 1. The P2414 engine code for indicate. Your vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, uses the upstream oxygen, O2 sensor, to measure the amount of oxygen in your exhaust gases. Under this circumstance, short distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty upstream oxygen, O2. Exhaust leaks. Damaged wiring or connectors. Blown O2 sensor heater fuse. Sensor contamination. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Dodge, Honda, and Chrysler. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.